developed, and we have a collaboration with the National Rehabilitation Institute in Sierra Leone where we want to set up a research lab there to figure out how to set up clinics where we can distribute prostheses. We're doing the same thing in Nicaragua, and we're also, I think, now looking into working with Cambodia also. And the idea here is that our class that we've been teaching at D-Lab for a while allows us to build a lot of technology that we can turn into a platform and a framework that we can apply anywhere. And through these partnerships, it has two obvious advantages. It gives us a source of funding, some way to kind of get them on board too, for their own population. And I think it's really important to develop that relationship. Right. You hear a lot about people going in and trying to, affect change in developing countries and not getting very far because they're sort of forcing their will on people. By making them a partner, we can sort of improve the dissemination process.
Right.
Well, there's tons of enthusiasm around campus everywhere, and as soon as you tell people about this project, they really get it.
Yes.
And that's what really is exciting for us too. Right. And I think the biggest problem is, like Ken said, it's just bringing the people, people bringing them in and then having them stay involved for a long period of time. Right. I think funding is always a challenge for us. For us, we have a lot of money for traveling. We have less money for supplies and for building our own infrastructure. And I think that's one of the really ironic things, because traveling and making a good impression is only the beginning. Yeah. And I think there's this long-term sort of funding problem with what we're doing, where people need to fund more kind of as we develop, and to look at us as more than just